Have you ever wondered how modern warehouses achieve incredible speed and accuracy while reducing labor costs? The secret is AGV robots. In this project, AGVs handle automated transportation inside an ASRS warehouse, moving bins, pallets, and goods without human intervention. They work in harmony with shuttle robots, stacker cranes, and sorting systems. Every movement is coordinated in real time by intelligent warehouse management software, which optimizes routes, avoids obstacles, and maintains high efficiency. Compared to traditional warehouses, this solution reduces manual walking distance, increases throughput, and ensures precise order fulfillment. AGVs are already transforming logistics operations in e-commerce, manufacturing, and medical industries. If you want to implement a similar system, we can help you design the warehouse, estimate your investment, and ensure seamless integration.